The railway system, a symbol of industrial progress, is on the cusp of a revolutionary transformation thanks to artificial intelligence, or AI. This age-old mode of transportation is being reimagined with cutting-edge technology, promising to make rail travel faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Imagine train tracks that are not just steel and concrete, but intelligent pathways designed by sophisticated algorithms. These smart tracks can predict maintenance needs, optimize train schedules, and even prevent accidents before they happen. This is not science fiction, but the reality that AI is shaping today. The integration of AI into railway systems is transforming how we think about travel and logistics. As we delve into the fascinating world of AI in railway track design, we will uncover how this cutting-edge technology is poised to redefine the future of transportation. From the drawing board to the tracks, AI is making its mark. From reducing construction costs to enhancing safety measures, AI offers a plethora of benefits that promise a new era of efficient and sustainable rail travel. The potential for innovation in this field is limitless. Join us as we explore this exciting frontier where artificial intelligence meets the intricate world of railway engineering. The journey towards smarter, more efficient railways has just begun. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, can be understood as a set of computer programs that are designed to mimic human intelligence. These programs are capable of learning, adapting, and evolving over time, making them incredibly versatile and powerful tools. These programs learn from vast amounts of data and use this knowledge to make decisions, solve problems, and even predict future events. They can analyze patterns and trends that are not immediately obvious to the human eye. In the context of railway track design, AI acts like a digital brain, analyzing complex data about terrain, weather patterns, traffic flow, and other crucial factors. This comprehensive analysis helps in making informed decisions. This ability of AI to process and learn from large datasets makes it an invaluable tool for engineers. It can provide insights that are crucial for maintaining and improving railway infrastructure. By identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss, AI can help design safer, more efficient, and more resilient railway networks. This leads to better performance and reliability in the long run. Essentially, AI empowers us to build smarter trains and smarter tracks for a smarter transportation future. The integration of AI in railway systems marks a significant step towards innovation and sustainability in transportation. AI tools are rapidly transforming the field of railway track engineering. These sophisticated programs utilize a range of techniques